Welcome to the Sierra College Library tutorial on using APA Psych Articles. Psych Articles has full-text articles from over 100 peer-reviewed journals published by the American Psychological Association and the Canadian Psychological Association. To get to APA Psych Articles from the library's homepage, go to Research Databases, then scroll down to find APA Psych Articles. If you're off campus, you'll be prompted to log in with your MySierra username and password. If you want to start with the basic search, just enter some keywords from your research topic in the search bar. I'm going to search for social anxiety college students. After you've entered your keywords, you can either hit the Enter key or select the magnifying glass icon to start your search. This search found 754 results. At the top of the screen, under the search bar, you have many options for limiting your search results. For example, let's limit our results to articles published in the last 10 years by selecting the box that says All Time and selecting Past 10 years. We now have 164 results. Take a look at number 1. Campus Racial Climate and Imposter Phenomenon Among Black College Students, the Mediating Roles of Social Anxiety and Self-Esteem. This article was published in the Journal of Diversity in Higher Education in June 2024. When you select Show More, you'll see the abstract, which is a brief summary of the article. The abstract will help you determine if this article is relevant to your research. If available, you can select Access Options and choose between PDF and online full text. PDF format retains all graphical materials such as charts and graphs. The online full text format allows you to use additional tools such as Translate. I'll select Online Full Text Format. From here, you can read through the article. The toolbar at the top of the page allows you to share or download the article. To email, just click the email link and enter your email address to have a copy of this article sent to your email. You can even have a citation automatically formatted. From the drop-down box, select APA. As with all citation generators, be sure to double-check the citation for accuracy. When you're done, select the arrow to go back. The basic search is fine for a quick search, but if you'd like to take advantage of all the limiters APA Psych Articles has to offer, go to the Advanced Search. You can find the Advanced Search link under the search bar. From the Advanced Search screen, you can apply limiters such as age groups and methodology before you do your search. Let's try a search for social media and self-esteem. You can select a specific field to search in, such as title, author, or publication. I'm going to select subject. Notice that there is an option for subject and also subject exact. Subject exact has the DE label for descriptor. To use this limiter, you will need to use the APA Thesaurus of Psychological Index Terms. Details on using the APA Thesaurus are covered in another video. For this example, I'm going to use the regular subject limiter. As you scroll down, you'll find a variety of limiters that are also specific to APA Psych Articles. For example, you can limit by age or population group. I'm going to use the methodology limiter and select Empirical Study. Select the search button at the bottom of the page. This search retrieves 21 focused articles. You can still use the All Filters button under the search bar to further refine your search. Let's try applying the adolescence limiter found under age. Select Apply. Now we have 3 even more focused results. If you have any questions, please contact a librarian. Thanks for watching.